Remove the flush plate by gently pushing away from you and pivoting the back upwards away from the shelf. Remove the air pipes by depressing the collar as shown while gently pulling the pipe out. Remove the debris guard by pushing down on the clip at the top and pulling the guard towards you. Isolate the water supply by turning the shut-off valve 90 degrees. To clean the filter, unscrew and remove the knurled connection from the inlet end of the hose. Using a pair of pliers, gently pull the filter out of its housing. Rinse under running water, making sure all debris is removed from the inside of the filter. Unscrew and remove the hose from the float valve. Unclip the pneumatic tubes and remove the flush valve bracket. Unclip the flush inlet valve by pinching the clip above to the left of the valve. Instructions are to reduce the flush volume from 6 litres for a full flush and 4 litres for a half flush to 3 litres full and 2.6 litres half. Note, both the inlet valve and the flush valve need adjusting. This part is for the inlet adjustment only. Using a screwdriver, adjust the height of the float from 10 to 3. Unclip the blue flush valve bracket by pushing it down and pulling it towards you. Reach inside the cistern and lift out the flush valve. Note that the upper portion of this valve comes away from the lower part to aid removal. If the rubber seal washer on the bottom of the flush valve is damaged, it can be changed. Slide the pointer on the slim switch from 11 down to 5, then turn the valve over and adjust the wider pointer from 3 to 5. Reach in and remove the flush valve base. This only needs pulling out. Reach in and replace the flush valve base. This only needs pushing in. Replace the flush valve, slotting it down into the flush valve base and twisting to lock, ensuring that the hoses are on the left-hand side. Refit the blue flush valve bracket, ensuring that it locates on the retaining pegs on the back of the flush valve. Clip into position against the back of the cistern. Replace the fill valve, slotting the retaining clip into the slot on the inside of the cistern. Refit the short flush valve bracket too and clip the pneumatic hoses to it. Reattach the hose, firstly to the float valve, then to the inlet valve, ensuring that the filter is replaced. Turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. Refit the debris guard, ensuring the pneumatic hoses have been poked through. Push the tube firmly into the push-fit connectors on the back of the flush plate, ensuring that the blue tube is connected to the smaller of the two buttons. Refit the plate by firstly locating the front edge on the two sprung clips, then gently pushing backwards towards the wall and down to locate the rear on the clip.